A very warm welcome to ICSE Class 10 students. As our exams are approaching, so I thought of discussing my pre-board physics paper with you. This paper is really helpful. It is of the same format as a board examination. 10 MCQs and rest of the part numerical and theoretical. So let's start with it. First question. When a body vibrates under a periodic force, the vibration of the body are, this is the correct answer, C option, forced vibrations. Second question. Two sounds A and B are of same amplitudes, same waveform, but of frequencies F and 2F respectively. Then so everything is same but the frequency is different. So we have to find out the pitch. So the correct answer is C option. B is shrill, A is grave. Third question. For which of the following substances resistance decreases with increase in temperature? It is B option, carbon. Fourth question. An electric appliance has rating 100 volt and 120 volt. The resistance of element of appliance when in use is. So to find out the resistance, we have to use the formula V square upon P. That is 120 into 120 upon 100, and the answer will be 144. That is the B option, 144 ohm. Question number 5. The main fuse is connected in. Everybody knows the answer. It is B. It is A option, live wire. Now question number 6. An electric meter in the house records the consumption of. C option is correct, energy. Seventh question. On reversing the direction of current in wire, the magnetic field produced by it is A option, gets reversed in direction. Now 8th question. The least penetrating radiation is. Everybody knows the answer. It is alpha particles, A option. Now we'll come to question number 9. The radiation suffering maximum deflection in magnetic field is beta particles. B option, beta particles. In beta emission from radioactive substance, an electron is ejected. The electron comes from. It is the D option, the nucleus of atom. So section A is complete. I hope everything is clear to you in section A. If you have any doubt regarding any question, you just comment it down. Now we'll start with section B. Here is the first question. A substance initially in solid state at 0 degrees Celsius is heated. The graph showing the variation in temperature with the amount of heat supplied is shown in the following figure. If the specific heat capacity of the substance is 500, so the specific heat capacity is given to us, which is 500. So we have to find using the graph the mass of the substance. Secondly, the specific heat of fusion of the substance in the liquid state, and thirdly, what BC represents. So this is the graph. So let's solve this question. Okay, this is the solution. AB represent increase in temperature. So where is AB? Yes. So here AB, it represents the increase in temperature from 20 to 80. This is Now to find out the mass of the substance, we will use a formula. Q equals to mass into specific heat capacity into rise in temperature. So Q, which is heat, we know it is 800. Mass we have to find, and the specific heat capacity is 500, and rise in temperature is 80 minus 0. So to find out M, 800 upon 500 into 80, which is equal to 1 upon 50 kg, and the correct answer is 0.02 kg. I hope it is clear. Secondly, we have to find out heat of fusion. So it is equals to Q equals to ml. So we have to find L, which is equals to Q upon M. So 800 upon the mass we have find out in previous part, which is equals to, so the answer obtained is 40,000 joule per kg. Now third part is what BC. So we'll come back to the graph. AB represents change in temperature from 20 to 80 degrees Celsius, and BC represents change of state from solid to liquid. Do we understood? BC represents change of state from solid to liquid. So our first question is over. Here is the third question. The diagram below shows the distance time graph. Here is the diagram. So let's answer the following question. Name kind of vibration. It is damped vibration. Second, give one example of such vibration. You can give any example from your textbooks. I have given thin stem of tree is pulled and then released. Third question, why is amplitude of vibration gradually decreasing? It is decreasing due to external resistive force. The next question is, three resistors of 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in series and parallel. Draw the arrangement and find the equivalent resistance in each case. So we have to draw the diagram. So diagram will be like this. This is for a series and this is for parallel. Now we have to find the equivalent resistance. In series, it is 2 plus 3 plus 6. That is R1 plus R2 plus R3, which will be 11 ohm. Using the direct formula R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now for parallel, it will be equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, which will be 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. So just calculate it. So the answer will be, LCM will be 6 and then add everything up, which will be 6 upon 6, which is 1 ohm. Now the third question. A geyser has rating 2 kilovolt and 240 volt. So we have to find out the electric energy consumed by it in kWh and in joule, and used for 90 minutes. So let's find out the first part. So energy consumed will be equal to power into time. That is 2 into 1 1.5. 1.5 is the hour time. 90 minutes will be 1.5 hour, which will be 3 kilowatt hour. This is in a question, first part in kilowatt hour, and then in joule. So 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1 kilowatt hour equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 joule. So electric energy consumed equals to 3 into 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6, which will be equal to 1.08 into 10 raised to the power 7 joule. This is the correct answer. Now second part, we have to find the cost of electricity is 4.50 per unit. So we have to find out the cost of electricity consumed. So electricity consumed cost equals to 3 into 4.50, which will be rupees 13.50. These questions are all given in your textbook, so you can check the answer from there. Don't mind my writing. Now the next question is, draw a diagram of 3-pin plug. So it is given in our textbook, so you can check from there. This diagram we have to draw in this question. It's important to label the pins: earth pin, neutral pin, and live pin. It is very important, and to show it is splitted. Now comes the next question. Write 2 ways by which strength of electromagnet can be increased. So it can be increased by increase in current and increase in coils, or increase in number of turns. It is easy, theory based. Now second part of this question, name 2 devices that uses an electromagnet. So any 2 device you can give: an electric bell and electric motor. Now the next question, the following diagram shows a coil of several turns of copper wire near magnet NS. The coil moved in the direction of arrow shown in the diagram. So let's check the diagram. So this is the diagram. So let's come to the questions. In what direction does induced current flow in the coil? So current is flowing from A to B. So answer is A to B. Name the law used to arrive at the conclusion in part 1. So you can write Fleming right or left hand, or you can write Lenz's law. Don't use thumb rule in this question. Third question, how would current in coil be altered if coil has twice number of turns? So if the coil has twice the number of turns, so the current will be doubled. It will be also be twice. Now see question from this question. Write 3 differences in AC and DC. It is an easy question. A table is given in the book. So you have to use this table for this question. Now comes radioactivity. So first question of radioactivity, complete the following nuclear change. So this is a change, we have to complete it. So the answer will be 214 by 81, 210 by 83, 210 by 83, 210 by 84, and so we'll complete this reaction. This will be the complete reaction. Now the questions. What are radioisotopes? Radioisotopes are in which number of neutrons is greater than number of protons, or the number of neutrons are much more than number of protons in the nucleus. Give an example of radioisotope. So you can give any example. I have given uranium. Now third part, write one use of radioisotopes. There are several uses, so I have written industrial. It is used for industrial purpose. Now see question. A substance changes from solid state to liquid state when heat supplies to it. Solid to liquid, everybody knows it. So it is, name the process. It is melting. What name is given to heat observed by the substance? It is the latent heat of fusion. Let me write it. Latent heat of fusion. Now the last question. How does average kinetic energy of molecules of substance changes? Do you know the answer of this one? It is there. It does not change when there is no change in temperature. When there is no change in temperature, the kinetic energy also does not increase. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you liked it, please press the bell icon and the like button. Oh, I have said opposite. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon for further notification. And if you have any doubt regarding this, you can also comment in the comment box. And I wish every one of you have a very good result in semester 2 examination. Please wish the same for me. Thank you.